Hi guys, today we're going to be going over a new topic which is differentiation. So let's see what this is all about. The first thing that you need to know is differentiation is actually rates of change. And how do we write it? If in a question you've been given two variables, you've got the y and the x. So the differentiation will be dy over dx. Let's see an example how we are going to handle the question. So for example, you've got a question that says differentiate the following, and the equation given to you is y equals 5x to the power of 3. How will you differentiate it? Because you got the y and the x, you will write down the first thing, dy over dx, and then this is the power. Power multiplies with a coefficient, that will become 3 times 5 is 15, x, and then you take away 1 from the power, and that will become 2. And that is your answer. So I'll reiterate this, I'll go over this again. So what you do is you multiply the power with the coefficient and then take 1 away from the power, and that's your answer. Let's do another example. If you've got a question that says y equals 6x to the power of 4, the first thing you will write is, because you've got the y and the x, you will write down dy, change in y, over delta x, change in x, multiply the power with the coefficient, that is 4 times 6 is 24, and then you take 1 away from the power, that will become x to the power of 3, and that is your answer. Similarly, if you've got another question that says y equals 5, guys, as you can see, there is no x, so there is no derivative of a constant number. So dy over dx will be equal to 0. Right guys, so I hope you've understood this. For more videos like this, please do comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.